as someone who is a college professor, I often think about the teachers who influenced me and in my work. And sometimes I think about the teachers who weren't very good for me, and they play a role. I think, for example, about one professor who was very, very good-hearted, brilliant, but always asked awful questions, questions that nobody could answer, and they just stymied conversation. And after a few weeks of this, the students in the class started asking each other questions. So that always helped, how not to ask a question. But perhaps the instructor who had the most influence on me was University of Michigan English professor Eric Rabkin. And I took two classes with him, one on science fiction and one on fantasy. And these classes changed my professional life as well as my personal life in a few ways. One was that Eric had this incredibly interesting idea for assignments. We had to write every week an essay. So every week in the class, we read a novel or a book, and we had to respond to it with an essay. But the essay could only be 320 words, no more. And this was in the early 80s or the mid 80s, and or it could be a single sheet of paper. And so that forced me to just strip out all the excess of my writing and just cut to the chase. And to this day, that influences me. I tend to write very concisely, and I have a keen eye for focusing on other people's writing. But Eric was also a fantastic lecturer. These were big lecture classes, several hundred students, and he had just a wonderful way of engaging the entire crowd. He had all kinds of tricks and all kinds of approaches. He liked to ask us questions. He was very passionate as a kind of stage performer, varying his presence across the stage and his pitch of his voice. But he always gave us this impression that we were together on an intellectual journey. And he was the guide, but we're all learning together. And that filled us with so much excitement. And in every given class, we just learned so much. Um, and on top of this, I grew to work with Eric. And in fact, my first publication, my first scholarly publication was on a group that he led and I was part of. And he was very demanding, very precise, um, accepted only the best from us, and really gave my career a push and really helped shape how I think about scholarship and writing. And to this day, we've been friends, and I've followed his work closely. In fact, he led an online class, a MOOC, that was apparently the largest pure grading project ever attempted in human history, with thousands and thousands of people responding to each other online. But Eric always had this deep sense of inquiry, and also this extensive breadth of knowledge. And on top of that, a great sense of humor. He's just someone I've always learned from. And whenever I'm with him, I feel like I'm 18 again, and just teetering on the brink of learning some new world.